How were the elven flets of Lothlorien constructed? Imagine living high above the ground in a city built among the branches of giant trees. That's exactly what the elves of Lothlorien created with their flets, or talons. These structures were built in the branches of Mallorn trees, which are special to that realm. The Mallorns have tall, straight trunks that grow nearly upright, making them perfect for building. The elves started with simple wooden platforms that sat among the strong branches. These platforms were open to the air and served as basic homes or lookout points. Over time, some of these platforms grew bigger and more complex. They added walls and roofs, turning them into full houses. The biggest and most elaborate flets were in Lothlórien, the main city of Lothlorien. These were built on the tallest Mallorns, with the grandest flets serving as homes for the lord and lady of the realm. The elves carefully worked with the trees, using only wood from the Mallorns. They didn't cut or harm the trees but built around them, respecting their natural shape. The branches of the Mallorn grow nearly straight from the trunk and then sweep upward, giving a natural foundation for the structures. The elves built their platforms near the top where the trunk divides into many boughs, making the most of the tree's natural architecture. To get up to the flets, the elves used ladders that could be pulled up when needed for privacy or safety. They also connected some flets with rope bridges or wooden walkways, allowing easy movement between trees without touching the ground. Originally, these flets might have been used as safe refuges or outposts, but they became permanent homes over time. Living among the trees allowed the elves to stay close to nature and avoid harming it. The entire city of Lothlórien was a collection of these high homes, creating a unique floating city in the forest. The elves' way of building was all about harmony with nature. They didn't want to dominate the forest but to work with it. Their structures looked like they grew naturally from the trees, blending beauty and function perfectly. This method made the city both practical and enchanting. The golden leaves of the Mallorn trees provided a year-round canopy, giving the city a magical glow. The construction of these flets is part of what makes Lothlorien so mysterious and special. The elevated, hidden city kept it safe and secret, adding to its allure. The high vantage points also helped the elves watch over the forest and defend their home. So, in the end, the elves built their flets by carefully working with the natural shape of the Mallorn trees, creating a floating city that is both a marvel of craftsmanship and a symbol of their deep bond with nature.